So active transport, remember, it requires energy, okay? Very important, to transport molecules. Active transport is necessary when protein carriers need to carry molecules across the concentration gradient. Sorry about that space here. From the areas of low concentration to areas of high concentration. What?
It's backwards.
It is, indeed. So, that's like trying to, because, okay, so say, how many students are in that closet right now? None, okay. So how about what if I tried to shove 7 of you in there? It would be a little difficult, wouldn't it? I would really have to just like shove you in there. Come on, like this, right? I would have to spend a lot of energy trying to shove you in there. Or think about a train that seems full and they want to shove a couple more people in the train, right? Okay, that's the idea. Is that since you're pushing it from low concentration inside the closet to really high, that's hard. That's a lot of energy. So that's why it's backwards. So that's why we have to add energy. Because it doesn't feel natural to be crammed in to a small closet with 6 other people, right? Okay? So the energy required is produced where? Where is energy produced in the cell?
Mitochondria.
The mitochondria. Through what process does it make energy? Very good. Cellular respiration. And it comes from substances called ATP, which I will actually tell you what the full name of ATP is now. So it's adenosine triphosphate. You don't need to know or memorize that name. It's just for funsies. Okay, adenosine triphosphate. So we know the next blank because we already had to memorize it and we're super smart. A series of chemical reactions occurs first in the cytoplasm, then in the mitochondria to break down. What are we breaking down in cellular respiration? Glucose, yeah. So we are breaking down glucose. And our goal is to produce that ATP.
We're not breaking down the oxygen, are we?
It's
used.
in there.
Yeah, it's used, but it's yeah. Okay. Now, okay. So here, let me actually see here. Did I not give you the next picture? Did I give you another picture?
No.
Okay. So, we have already discussed, actually, one of these examples, but I didn't tell you that it could be a possibility. So, with carrier proteins, can also move particles from low concentration to high and use ATP. So a carrier protein can either be passive transport or active transport. How do you tell? You look and see, is it transporting from high to low or from low to high? That's how you know, okay? Okay. So on your worksheet that I will give you today, I'll just show you an example of what this looks like. So here, this will be a worksheet that you'll get today. So these are both carrier proteins because they're both carrying particles. So that takes it, moves it, takes it, moves it. Okay? But here's 1, 2 of these particles that it's transporting, and here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it keeps moving them here. So it's going from low to high. So this is going to be a carrier protein that is using an active transport because it's going from low to high. Whereas this one is going from high to low. Okay? All right. So let's go back to our summary sheet and now put down our one for active. Okay, so for active, the one that we just added in is a carrier protein. Uses ATP to move particles from low to high concentration with the square brackets. Okay. And then we just have 2 small things left to do, and then we will be done for today. Okay. We good? Use ATP to move particles from low to high. Okay. So now, this one other topic. You guys are doing good. So endocytosis and exocytosis.